Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be making a red bedazzled ruffled up headband. This headband design is such a freestyle and it's so easy to make, and I can't wait to show you guys. This headpiece was requested by my beautiful client Angel. If you're interested in knowing all about this process, please make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? Make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss out any important information. Also, if you have any questions after watching, please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below. I'll be there to answer your questions. Also, if you're watching this video, if this is your first time of seeing me, hello there. My name is Funmibi Olawore and I'm a headgear designer based in Nigeria, Port Harcourt, Nigeria to be precise. So if you're interested in being a part of this my creative channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, okay, somewhere here or here. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you don't forget to tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell helps you know every single time I post a new video. I try my best to post videos every single week, either once or twice or thrice, as many times as possible, okay? So please be sure to join our beautiful family. Also, please, if you enjoy watching, which I'm sure you would, at the end or in between, please don't forget to hit the like button. That button helps me know that you found value from watching my video, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to spread my video to a wider audience. I'm on my way to 8,000 subscribers and I'm looking to grow my channel as much as possible this year. So please help me by hitting the like button if you enjoyed watching. Now that I'm done saying all of this, let's get straight into today's video. Let's go.
Alright guys, so you'll be needing your fabric of choice. For me, I'm working with ASOOKE. You need your plastic headband, of course, for this particular design. You also need your rhinestones. I'm working with these red Swarovski stones. This is my headband after wrapping and adding elastic. For those that are new here, I have a tutorial on how this can be achieved. I'm going to see if I can link it on the screen for you guys, but if I don't remember to link it, just go through my channel, you'll see the tutorial. Also, that's my rhinestone. So what I have here are two pieces of my ASOOKE that are about 60 inches long. You can keep it between 50 to 60 inches depending on how large or small you want your ruffles to be. So what I'm going to do now is to join these two pieces together. For people that are new here, I've done a tutorial where I showed how to join ASOOKE together, but this is just me demonstrating how to go about it. You just sew the length, just pick a particular side and sew the length of the fabric together and sew all the way down. This is what you should have after sewing. So once this is done, I'm going to go ahead to apply my rhinestones onto my fabric, and all that entails is just using my regular steam iron to press on the stones onto my fabric. It's pretty tasking, okay? It takes a while, so you require patience. I decided to also add a combination of gold and red rhinestones to this particular designs. This particular design, so feel free to just do whatever combination you want. So it's now time for us to get to the main design, and for this particular design, I'm not going to be talking too much. You need to pay very close attention so you see what I'm doing, because I don't know if there will be a way for me to explain what it is that I'm doing. I'm doing more of stuff with my hands, so I advise that you guys pay close attention. I'm going to stop talking now, allow you watch what I'm doing. If you made it up to this point and you're here to like this video, please, this is a gentle reminder, please, I'm begging, hit the like button so I know you guys got value. So I'm going to keep quiet now, allow you watch the way I'm going to ruffle up this piece of fabric, and then I'll continue on to the end of this video with you guys. Alright guys, so I believe you guys paid close attention to the way I formed this my ruffle. The idea for this particular design is to just create something ruffled up and forming like a round shape. Okay, so once that was done, it was now time for me to sew whatever I ruffled up in place, because if I don't sew it in place, once I drop the fabric, everything's going to unravel. So I'm just using my needle and thread here to just sew this ruffle situation in place so that I can now attach whatever ruffle design I have to my plastic headband. I have a particular style similar to this that I made for a baby girl. Okay, it's like the child version of this particular style. I didn't upload the video with this one. I don't know if you guys will be interested. If you would like to see that one as well, please let me know down in the comments, and then I'll just upload the video for you guys. I filmed, but I've not edited, so it all depends on the reception or request that I get. So yeah, what I'm doing here is just adjusting my ruffle to make it appear really, really beautifully when it's attached to the headband. So here as well, I'm looking at where I want to place the ruffle. Okay, but after talking to the owner of this particular piece, she told me that she wanted the ruffle to be tilted to the side a little bit. So when I was attaching it to the plastic headband, the wrapped headband, I decided to just tilt the ruffle to the side a bit. If you want yours to be at the center or to the side, feel free to do that when you get to that point. I discovered that some parts of this my ruffle design were still lifting. It just wasn't sitting the way I wanted it to sit, so I just went in with my needle and thread to do a bit of tacking here and there. So when you make your own ruffled headband as well, if you see that somewhere is lifting and it's just not sitting properly, feel free to go in with your needle and thread and just sew the ruffle in place such that it sits perfectly on your head or on your client's head. And I also advise, if you're into doing stuff like this, it will be advisable to get a mannequin so that when you're working, right, you can also place your stuff on your mannequin head, and then it gives you like a glimpse of what it's going to look like on you or on your client. Because if you're making pieces for your clients, it's unprofessional to be wearing what you are going to sell to your clients, right? It's not proper. So get a mannequin head and use that mannequin head to picture what your design is going to look like when your client receives their package. So this is the ruffled headband after I attached it using my glue, what they call this thing now, hot glue. And then I also went ahead to do some tacking. If you are new here, you can't depend on just glue. You need to do your hand stitches as well. So this is the final result. I went ahead to also bedazzle and bead the wrapped headband and attach some fabric flowers and claw stones and all of that. I got a reminder from someone yesterday about how to sew on claw stones onto headbands. I'm going to work on a tutorial for you guys. The past few weeks, the month of April and May, were just extremely busy with work and everything, so it was almost like my channel was kind of lacking in my presence, and I'm sorry about that. But going forward, I'm going to make myself more present and more available, hopefully in between now and the end of the month, and even in the month of June. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Let's just go ahead so I can conclude this video for you guys.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Really easy to make, very easy to design. For the bedazzling and beading aspect, I didn't really take my time to show you guys the process because I already shared a full-blown tutorial on how to bead a headband. So the only difference in the process is you decide what types of beads do you want to use. Do you want to use your crystal beads, your seed beads, your pearl beads, your glass beads, your any type of bead or accessory that you choose to use for your design. Okay, so if you guys still want me to be showing you guys the beading process, let me know down in the comment section, even though I feel like it's going to be repetitive and boring. But if you guys really want to see exactly how I bead my pieces, please be sure to drop it in the comment section. Also, can you guys see this, my beautiful white Michelle headband? If you are interested in knowing how to make something like this for yourself, I have a tutorial as well on the channel. Please just go through my Funmibi Olawore designs playlist and you get to see all my beautiful pieces and how to make them for yourself or for your clients. If you enjoyed watching this video, which I'm sure you did, okay, please go ahead to hit the like button. Okay, like this video, very, very important. Also, if you made it up to this point and you're yet to be subscribed to this beautiful channel, this community of DIY lovers and fashion lovers and headgear lovers, Please be sure to join the family by hitting the subscribe button down below, okay? Make sure you also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell helps you know every single time I post a new video. Also, one more thing, I'm available on Instagram and TikTok. On those platforms, you get to see behind the scene of how I make my pieces, other things that I get up to, apart from the things that I share on here on YouTube. So please be sure to follow me on either or both of those platforms, okay? I'm going to leave my handles right here, okay? And feel free to slide into my DM with your questions or requests for videos and anything like that, just to communicate with me directly, okay? This is a community, this is a family, so there's no restrictions here, okay? Feel free to send me a DM if you're interested in anything that you'd like to see on the channel. Also, if you'd like to remind me about something I promised on the channel and maybe I've not gotten to it yet, please feel free to just send me a DM on Instagram or comment on any of my TikTok videos, and I'll be so glad to meet you guys. Thank you again for watching this video. I'm so grateful and so thankful, and I appreciate every single member of this beautiful family, and I can't wait to see you guys in another one. Bye.